What if I told you that you could type just one sentence and an AI will turn it into a complete video, like with visuals, animation, voice, captions, and even background music? No camera, no editing skills, no expensive software, just your idea and a few clicks. And you know the crazy part? Many people are already using these tools to create YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram reels, product ads, educational videos, and even earning money from clients. So if you've been saying, I don't know how to edit videos or I don't like showing my face, then this video might completely change the way you create content. So stay to the end because tool number 7 is one of the newest AI tools and it can save you hours every single week. Let's get started. Number 1 tool is Hello AI. This AI tool has become very popular because it creates cinematic videos from simple text prompts. So instead of spending hours creating scenes yourself, you simply describe what you want. For example, you can type a young woman walking through a rainy street at night with neon lights reflecting on the road. Within a twinkle of an eye, this tool will create a beautiful animated scene that looks surprisingly realistic. With this tool, you can create story videos, movie style scenes, fantasy videos, YouTube intros, short film, social media content. To use this tool, go to the website, create a free account, click text to video, write a detailed description of your scene, choose your style, then click generate. After a few moments, your video is ready. So this tool is incredible and it's a tool you want to start using. And again, the more details you give the tool, the better results you get. So instead of typing a dog is running, you have to elaborate your prompt. You have to make your prompt very detailed so that you can get a very good result. So instead of saying a dog is running, you can say a golden retriever happily running through a sunflower field during sunset with cinematic lighting. The AI understands details very, very well. So you have to be very detailed about your prompt to get good results. And to make money with this tool, you can create storytelling videos for YouTube channels, you can create product commercials, you can create videos for small businesses, book trailers, Instagram ads. The truth is, many businesses are looking for short promotional videos, but they don't know how to make it. And this is where you come in handy. This is where you offer your services. So you can become the person who creates them for these brands. And of course, you're going to make a whole lot of money. Number 2 AI tool is Hitchfield AI. This particular tool focuses on creating realistic videos using AI and is a tool you want to try out. And one thing that makes it different is its amazing camera movement. So it gives that real camera movement like you're filming it in real time. You cannot be able to figure out is AI doing the job. Now the video don't feel stiff. They feel like someone actually filming them using a professional camera, like I said, right? You can create fashion videos with this tool. You can create lifestyle content. You can create travel videos, social media ads, brand promotional videos, luxury product videos. So this tool is superb in creating this kind of videos. To use this tool, all you need to do is to open the AI tool. Then you're going to choose text to video. Then next you describe your idea and select your camera movement. And again, you have to choose the video quality and boom, click on generate to generate your video. You can create smooth zoom effects, cinematic pans, slow motion and realistic movement even without touching the camera. So this tool will give you exactly that kind of real camera movement you want. And to make money with this tool, you can offer your services to clothing brands, jewelry business, hotels, restaurants, real estate agents. These businesses constantly need attractive promotional videos, and this tool is equal to the task. You can try it out. Number 3 tool is Luma Dream Machine. This tool shocks many creators because of how realistic the motion looks like. If you also try it out, it will amaze you the effect, the result you're going to get. Okay, so you simply need to type in your idea and the AI tool will create smooth moving things that looks real and natural. It doesn't look robotic, it doesn't look awkward, just clean movement. And this is a tool you want to try out. So you can use this particular tool to create nature videos, travel scenes, product showcases, educational visuals, AI storytelling videos. This tool is so super. It's a powerful tool you can start using. All you need to do is to visit the website. Of course, you need to create an account. Then next you click on text to video, and next you describe your scene and generate your video, and the result will amaze you. Like, it will wow you. So if you already have an image, you can even animate that image into a moving video. So that's perfect if you create thumbnails or digital ads. And to make money with this, okay, you can start selling animated product videos, you can start selling AI videos, visual backgrounds, YouTube B-rolls, top video clips. And you know what? Many YouTubers buy B-rolls because filming takes too much time. And this is what you can start doing if you want to make money online. Start harnessing these tools. Number 4 tool is Pixverse AI. If you create short videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Short, okay, you will love this one. Pixverse create fast, eye-catching videos from simple prompts. Okay, so if you're someone that likes creating short videos, you can harness this tool. It also lets you transform images into animated videos, and you can use this particular tool to create funny videos, trending shorts, meme videos, anime style videos, marketing content. Okay, and of course, to use this particular tool, you need to go to the website, open the website, then you choose text to video, and of course, you should write your prompt and make sure that the prompt you're writing, okay, is well detailed to give you the kind of result you want. Everything depends on the type of prompt you input, right? Next, you pick your preferred style and click generate to generate your video. So after the video is created, you can download it immediately, right? And upload to the social media platforms. And you can make money with this, okay, by creating viral shorts for YouTube creators, TikTok content for brands, Instagram reels for businesses, affiliate marketing videos, digital product promotion videos. Businesses know short form videos attract attention. You can make money from this particular service, and they would rather pay someone than learning everything themselves, and this is where you come in handy. Number 5 is Mochi One AI. So another interesting tool is Mochi One AI. This AI tool is excellent for creating expressive animated videos with realistic movement. It understands actions very well. So for example, if you type a chef preparing a delicious pasta inside a modern kitchen, this tool will create scenes with natural movement instead of character looking frozen. So this tool is super amazing, and it's a tool you want to try out. So to use this tool, you need to create an account. Then next you choose text to video, and you write a detailed description. That description is your prompt, and it needs to be detailed. Then you generate the video by clicking generate, and next download it. That's simple. So you can use this tool to make cooking channels, educational videos, story videos, products demonstration videos, social media content. So this particular tool will give you exactly the list of video style I just mentioned. You can make money with it by creating videos for food bloggers, online teachers, course creators, local restaurants, recipe pages. This tool is amazing for creating those kind of videos. Number 6 is Mirage AI. This tool specializes in creating imaginative, artistic, and highly creative video. So if you love fantasy, you love futuristic design or unique visual effects, you will enjoy using this particular tool. So you can create music visuals with this particular tool. You can create fantasy world, artistic animation, digital storytelling. So this tool is so superb, okay, to create this type of videos. Okay, so to use it, you have to open Mirage AI website, then you type in your prompt, choose your visual style, and click on generate to generate your video. You can keep improving your prompt until you get exactly what you want. So to make money with this tool, you can sell album visuals, you can sell NFT promotion, events, advertisements, creative social media videos, motion graphics. Artists are always looking for eye-catching videos, and you can take advantage of this tool. Number 7 is VivaGo AI. This tool is incredibly flexible. Like it can generate videos from text, turn images into moving videos. And this tool can even improve videos you already have. So that is how powerful this particular one is. So instead of starting from scratch every time, VivaGo helps you upgrade your content. And this is a tool you want to try out. So to use this particular tool, all you need to do is to create an account. Then next, you choose text to video, and after that you write your description, which is your prompt. So whatever prompt it gives it, that is the result you get. Next, you select your preferred style and click on generate. So if you already have an image, you can also upload it and let this to animate it for you. You can even enhance old videos, like I said, to make them look better. So that is how incredible this particular tool is. With this tool, you can create YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, business adverts, educational videos, social media marketing videos, story animations. To make money with this tool, you can start offering faceless YouTube channel services, creating videos for local businesses, selling social media video packages, and offering AI video services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, and the rest. You can also create videos for affiliate marketing. You can also sell ready-made video templates. One client can easily pay more than monthly subscription of these two. So after just one or two projects, the tool has already paid for itself. Like this is a very good opportunity to utilize. Now here is something many beginners don't know. These AI tools are powerful, but they only produce amazing results when you give them amazing prompts. Don't just write a single word of line like a woman walking. No, instead, you can make it more detailed, like a confident businesswoman walking through a city. Name the city. During golden hours, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, slow camera movement, shallow depth of field. Are you getting me? Notice how much more detail that is. So that is the kind of prompt you should use. So better prompt almost always produce better videos. And the truth is, creating videos is becoming easier every single day, every single year, and every single time. You no longer need expensive cameras. You don't even need years of editing experience. And you definitely don't need to wait until everything is perfect before you start. The biggest advantage today is not who owns the most expensive equipment, is who learns how to use AI the smartest way. This is an advantage you want to take. You want to leverage on knowing how to use AI. All you need to do is to pick one tool from today's video, spend 1 week learning it, create a full video experiment. You might be surprised at what you are able to create. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you excited to try first? Leave your comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and turn on your notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.